welcome to the Daily Buzz with your Premier. On Saturday last, we took a delegation of 100 persons to St. Thomas to join in the celebration of USVI-BVI friendship. This was the 41st such celebration, and it is significant because it recognizes the ties that bind both countries together. One of those, for example, is the fact that a large percentage of the persons in St. Thomas particularly are BVI heritage. We also have here in Tortola many persons of St. Thomas heritage. So that, along with the fact that we live in the same space, it's all one group of islands, and that trade between the islands is so significant, it's important that we celebrate that. It's important also that we continue to meet regularly in the council, the Intervirginians Council, to be able to continue this friendship and to be able to continue to sort out any differences that may occur between us, so we can progress economically as the Greater Virgin Islands.